Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how does the buy box work on Amazon, beginner tutorial for businesses. Let's get into it. Today we're exploring how Amazon's buy box works. The buy box is crucial because it's the main way customers make quick purchases on Amazon, so understanding what factors influence buy box eligibility can be a game changer for your business. One of the most important factors is shipping speed. Amazon values a fast, reliable experience for customers, and they're more likely to award the buy box to sellers who can deliver products quickly. If you're using fulfillment by Amazon FBA, your products are likely Prime eligible, which is a huge advantage. However, even if you're fulfilling orders yourself, having quick shipping times can be beneficial. Offering faster shipping might even outweigh a small price difference with other sellers. So if you're not using FBA, make sure your shipping options are still competitive. Price also plays a big role. Amazon wants to give customers good value, and they tend to prioritize sellers who offer competitive pricing. Although lower prices help, the buy box isn't always awarded to the lowest price. Amazon also weighs factors like shipping speed and account reliability. This is why you may sometimes see sellers with higher prices winning the buy box, as long as their pricing is within a reasonable range. Staying competitive in price without drastically lowering it is usually the best approach. Amazon also looks at various account metrics. High customer satisfaction is key, and Amazon keeps an eye on factors like feedback ratings, response times to customer inquiries, and order defect rates. For example, if you're quick to answer questions from customers and maintain a high satisfaction rate, Amazon will view your account as more reliable. This can significantly increase your chances of being in the buy box rotation. Keeping strong account metrics helps ensure that you'll get more buy box time, so staying on top of these metrics is essential. Other factors, like account suspension history and overall sales volume, can influence buy box eligibility as well. Amazon sometimes gives priority to accounts with proven sales history or higher volumes. So, if you're a new seller, it's a good idea to focus on building a positive track record on Amazon, maintaining your account health, and working towards consistent growth in sales. To summarize, focus on fast shipping, competitive pricing, and strong account metrics. Winning the buy box takes time, and it's something that's influenced by a range of factors, but by improving these areas, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, keep an eye out for more insights into Amazon selling. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.